Hey guys, this is Amir-Akbari. I'm just doing my demo for the report system which I have created for the system software assignment 1. So I'm just basically, I have the system D basically runs when the system starts up, but I'm at the moment just gonna quick stop it, and then I'm gonna do a quick start and check the status. So now we could see it's active and it's running. So that's our assignment. Assignment 1 is my code. Then we're going to open a terminal, and over here we're going to use our client and a sudo just to do a backup. So sudo client, client.o, we're going to do a backup with a capital B and capital B. So we're going to do a quick backup asking for a password just because we're using sudo. So we could see it's a backup. So it sends a backup using message queue, send the message backup, and then we receive the backup as a message backup successfully done. So we just wanted to be sure that is happening because at the moment it's running, so it's locked as well. So right now we could see it 7:24 and 41 seconds, which is basically like less than a minute ago, less than half, like yeah, half a minute basically. So that's backup, and then right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our report folder, which we have today reports. So I'm gonna, for example, set report, copy, paste. So we have a set report copy, which if you go to our user log, I use iNotify, which I explained on the report, which wasn't a great idea to use it, but I just used it. I think it was better or shorter than using the audit D and I use search. But yeah, so we could still over here. So we created node because I used as a I'm on the sudo, so I'm basically there's no user on the root. But you could see a stop DJ, that was basically myself, and node is a sudo. And if you could see warehouse, if warehouse changed the name, so any other users changed, we could see it would change the username. So we use the user. So yep. So I think it was a mistake to use the iNotify, but it was basically too late to go back. But I thought it would be more efficient and shorter than using RFD, and then you search, it gives you 50 lines. So that was my reason to use iNotify. That's that. So right now, as we kind of saw, that's the lock because we're running back up at the moment. So no one can access this. So we copy paste in our file sales report just in case. So then what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna do a quick upload just to be sure upload function is working. Upload. We could see upload is running and it has been uploaded. And we go back to our upload folder. We are on upload folder already report. And because the sales report now is uploaded, and what else we could do is we could double check our syslog as well, just to be sure, because they all have been in the syslog already. So we could see the folder has been uploaded, and it basically would give the time and the date as well. Same thing with the backup. If I do another backup um, and run my syslog, we could see after the upload there was a backup. So that's that. I think that's all I had to do. So we talked about upload, we talked about the backup, we talked about the codes in our report. Then the report folder is basically my report, which will be uploaded. The only functionality I think it should have worked, but it's not working after report. This should have been deleted, but as I mentioned on the Friday, Jonathan, I tried to use it, but I even tried to use the suggestion you made, the MV, but I'm not sure why it didn't work. So I tried to make it, but I didn't, and I didn't want to do the copy then delete whatever's in here. So yeah, I just left back to that RSYNC, whatever it's called, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm using that still. There's a backup, and there's a minus minus delete. It should have worked, but it's not working. That's the only thing it's not working. Everything that's working. So as I demoed system D as well. So yep, that's all for me. Thanks for listening.